Hello everyone, it's Rita. I have like 20 minutes to do this little video because I wanted to clean my desk to do the prompt video, but I may not be able to do it until later this afternoon because my friends are coming to have lunch, and yeah, I just wanted to get this out of the way, but I didn't want to put it away until I shared with you my thoughts on it. Okay, this was the window that I put on this vellum pocket that we made yesterday. And then I didn't put any of the acetate in there. I was going to put the acetate on the other side, but then I realized my journal card would probably get stuck in there. So there's a little bit of left over here. I'm getting it off, which I got it off it was fairly easy, but so first thing is I want to put this back on here, and I hope my head's not in the screen, but I'm trying to get it lined up, and of course I can't see it. My head was in the screen yesterday a lot. I don't know. Some days I think I just have my camera a little cockeyed, you know, when I'm start to film. Oh, dang it. I need to get a wipe out probably. I already cleaned this once, the glass stuff. So, okay, let me get that on there. Hold on, let me bring it down closer to me. There we go. Okay, so we'll let that set. I just set this on there for now until it gets dry. And then, so inside there I need a journal card. So the first thing I did was I looked for a journal card that would fit. And I had this, it comes out of a recipe file box or something. And I thought I would go ahead and collage over this. So I have this, whoop, that goes on later. It's sticky. Okay, so I thought I might put this ruler up here along this edge. I think that's already been inked. Let me get, my glue. I had all kinds of time this morning because I got up early so I could get everything done. Oop. And then I got on the computer to do some emails. And you know how that is. Okay. Now this door is from Nanine. I'll never get it right. You know how a name gets stuck in your head and you can't get rid of it. Nanine at Collage Type. It's the salvaged architectural kit. And I just think it's cool with these doors and that kind of thing. So let me set that there for a minute. I thought I would stick a piece like this under that. And I have a piece of little leftover vellum. That these were in the window when I tore it out. And let's see. Maybe, oops, sticky fingers already. I got to get my wipe out. Come on. Okay. So let me get a wipe. Where are you? Oh, I put them down here. I've been, you know, the white packages, they come in that, with the top on it, you know, that you have to get glued down. And I can't get them, they all come out. So I decided to use my Clorox wipes, which is better. And that way it's easier to get them out. Okay, Okay, so let's put this piece on here because this one looks like it needs to go under there. And this, I don't know if I told you, but this is for the salvaged finds. It's not fine, it's finds. I don't know why I can't say that. I mean, if you're going to name something, you should know how to say it, right? Or it could be called finds. You know, finds are like, you know, findings. Oh, what do they call that? You know, like jewelry parts and stuff. Those are considered finds. All right. Just gonna stick this little bit on this under here. Don't need a whole bunch. I don't know, that's kind of, like I feel like there's a whole corner right there. And no, it doesn't look right. Let's see, maybe I could put, yeah, let's put some of this under that. All right. So hope everybody's doing well and having fun with this journal theme. I know I like it. This is tissue paper that I got at Hobby Lobby. All right, so now we'll put this down here. Oh, I'm gonna go down this much because I gotta trim that off. It's got the border from the printer. Okay, and then I want to put this on. I know that's, maybe I'll just go down a little bit more. I mean, the door is going to be cut off. I can't help that, but I don't want it to look too squarish. So I'll probably do 2 videos. Put one up and then put the other one up as the same day. See how much I can get done of this. I want to sew around this too, but I still haven't figured out a way to get a sewing machine over here. You know, it's all because of electrical and things like that. Okay, so there's that, and I was going to put some little pieces of these here, wherever I might need them. Okay, so here is the image that that's stuck down. Okay, keep losing it. Let's see if this is done. All right, so this image I want to put right there. This is a sticker clock that you get at Dollar Tree, if they have any. They don't have anything for very long. And then that's a Tim Holtz guy, and I thought it was kind of cute. He could hold on to the clock. These were sent to, this was sent to me by Alicia. So I'm trying to figure out how to, let's get this, let's pretend this card is sitting in there again, because I want it to show through. And I know this card fits because I checked. Let me check again. It's going to be fine when it gets folded over. Okay. So that's straight in there. I can't set it down because it's sticky. I think if I just put it about, oh, wait a minute, I can't put it there yet. Let me mark this. I better mark it with something darker. I won't be able to see it. Okay, so that's gonna go there. And I was gonna put this lighthouse or this lamp behind it up there. Mark this. I know where the bottom of that goes. I don't think I inked it. This I printed on that light craft cardstock that I got at Walmart. I guess I could put this on now. I think it works nice. It just gives it that the background that, you know, is not totally white, because even if you do cream, it still looks white. All right, and then we'll just stick him on, because I know only half the clock's going to show through the window, but I think that's fine. Oh, you know what? I need to glue it. Duh. Hold on. I want to get a little ruler to make sure that when I lay it down, it's right. I need some glue. It's sticky, the clock part, but this guy is. I hardly ever get to use my Tim Holtz, and that's kind of why I wanted to put some of them in this journal. Okay. Line that ruler up. I did glue it, right? Sometimes glue acts so silly. And I think this is strong enough that you can write on it. That's kind of why I picked this heavy card. Then I thought I could put some of these still someplace. I don't know that I need them at all. Yeah, that might be kind of nice up there just because there's one down here and kind of balances it a little bit. I think I'm just going to try to glue stick this. I think I had it down here somewhere. Now I don't know where I had it. Oh well. Okay. Maybe. I just want to, this is almost like trying to putting some washi, know, in the spots that you want to add something. Okay, so there we go. So I'm gonna sew around this. I wanted to sew around here. I hope I have that straight. You know, I wonder if my eyes is why things, I used to have a pretty good eye for straight. It's just barely off, but I'm gonna have to start using a ruler more. See, this little edge right here is just barely tilted. But the smaller, you know, the area is, the more it tilts. Let's see how this looks inside. Okay. And then I don't know if I want to put anything outside or not. This can be moved over a little bit. Seemed like I had the clock over a little more, but maybe I had him a little more under. I don't know. It still looks good to me. I think it's cute. And I don't know if I want to put anything up here. I could maybe put a word or something. I don't want it to look too... Yeah, I don't know. I think I'll just sew around it and see if I need something. And she says, oh, let me try one more thing. No, I don't. I like that with it, but I don't like it going across that way. And it can't go down that way. Alrighty, guys. So, that is it for that piece. I don't know what else I have going on here. Let's see how much time I have. I don't see my time because somebody sent me a message. Let me see. I can't find it. Let me see if I can get this off. Oh. Okay, I have about 3 more minutes. I just want to do 20 minutes. Yeah, I'm not ready to do the cover yet, but I think I'm going to use this lamp post here. And I thought about using the park bench and the lamp post, but I'm not sure about that. And then I thought about using, well, I do want a window. And I thought I might call it like Market Square. I have this lamp post from the digital. This is Shabby Dabby Doodah's lamp post that originally I was going to put, but then I found this one, and I think I like that. Okay, there's the timer. Okay. All right. Anyway, I'm gonna, you know, still have a few days to finish this up. It's not taking very long. And a lot of you have commented about how this might be pretty easy to make. And yeah, I think it will be. Oh, I found this. I think this came from Mary. It's kind of like that Italian paper, maybe. I'm not sure, but I thought it was really pretty. I might use it for just a little note, just a little piece of paper to write on. Okay, guys, thanks for joining me, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.